There is nothing better than homegrown, fresh green peas, just straight from the vine. I love growing peas. I always have a few varieties, and today I would like to talk to you about some of them. This peas is called Tom Thumb, and it's one of the smallest varieties of peas. It doesn't grow big. It's really tiny, as you can see. The plants are tiny, but the pea pods are not. They are regular size. As you can see, finally I'm getting some peas out of it. I thought because it's small, it will bloom and produce pea pods faster than those large varieties. Well, I was wrong. Right now I have other varieties growing in the garden that grow large, and they are also blooming and producing pea pods around the same time as this one, even though this one is much smaller. So I would not probably plant this again outdoors. Maybe I'll try it inside because of its sizes, because I mean, it's great for small spaces, but it's not going to produce a lot. You can see there is a handful of flowers on this plant, but probably maximum of what I'm going to get from this small tiny pot. I mean, look at the size of it. It's like 2 hands of mine. Maybe I'll get 20 pods out of this, maybe 25, but not more. And from a large size pea plant, I'll definitely get more. So this will be my indoor variety if I ever try it again. And let me show you all of the other peas I have growing around my garden. I have few varieties, and these are sugar snap, just regular green peas. You can see they are growing up nicely, climbing on this trellis over here in my raised bed, and it's so delicious. I just love coming here and snacking on some peas. Fresh is the best. Other varieties of peas that I have growing in my garden are spring blush. It looks really good and it tastes good as well. I like the flavor. It tastes similarly to sugar snap, sweet as well. And then there is this one. It's called golden sweet. I like the looks of this peas, but I don't like the taste. It's a little bit bitter, and I'm not sure why. I mean, I've grown so many different varieties of peas, and there was never a piece that I wouldn't like the taste of it. It has a nice color, really golden. You can see it from far away. A really beautiful piece, but not a great taste. I don't know the name of this variety, I forgot, but this one has really long pods, so I have to look into which one is it. But it's really cool looking, long and skinny pods. So this is one of those varieties that you can eat everything together with the pod. Beautiful, love it.